No, what do you do? No, I just sitting down, watching people walking. What time in India now? It's hot. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. What time? 7 minutes. As a part of the family of God. Wow. 1 a.m. So it's early in the morning. You're not sleeping or you're working? I'm so glad I'm a part of a family of God.